Back now live with our 3 Days in the Valley coverage live from Hewlett-Packard, and it's a Fox Business exclusive with the CEO, Meg Whitman. And before the break, I was asking you, you've had the job cuts. A thinner business does not necessarily mean that it's got stronger legs, but a good product lineup definitely does. You've talked about the tablets, you've talked about the Envy. I want to get to smartphones. Where is the HP smartphone? You guys bought, this was before you, the CEO, Palm, which has been just not a supportive company when it comes to smartphones. But have you guys had something up your sleeve? Are we going to see an HP smartphone that'll grab the attention here?
So we are working on this. In the end, I would love to be able to provide all the way from the most fabulous workstations. By the way, we just took over the #1 position in workstations from Apple.
Congratulations.
To desktops, to laptops, to our tablets and convertibles, all the way to smartphone. But we did take a detour into smartphone, and we've got to get it right this time. And so my mantra to the team is better, right, than faster than we should be there. So we're working to make sure that when we do this, it will be the right thing for Hewlett-Packard, and we will be successful.
So a smartphone is not when, but not if, but when for Hewlett-Packard?
You know, my view is we have to ultimately offer a smartphone because in many countries of the world, that is your first computing device. You know, there will be countries around the world where people may never own a tablet or a PC or a desktop. They will do everything on the smartphone. We're a computing company. We have to take advantage of that form factor.